Officially, Endurance XT silicone wiper blades are real-world proven for extreme upgrades to the silicone wiper blades today. At Walmart.
I mean, I'm not saying it's bad. I guess if you feel pushed into something, like, okay.
Whoa!
You okay, babe?
Yeah.
Thank you. We're very lucky because AJ's a really good driver.
And don't forget, if you want your dash cam clip featured on a DCtv episode, you can send it here on DCtv. It's simple and easy. For more details, have a look at the description below. Help everyone learn from your experience. I'm Ann and this is Nicole. Thanks for watching. Bye.
She's counting money in the car. Man, I swear, if I wasn't auto-tuning, I'd punch it right around her. She still hasn't taken her eyes off of her lap. Guys, I'm gonna pull up next to her. I'm looking at her through her mirror. Her eyes are still counting money in her lap. You know when you drive through your peripheral, she's still looking. Look at this, look at this. Mind keeping your eyes on the road? Mind keeping your eyes on the road and off your phone? You kill people like me. I'd appreciate, huh?
Like you?
Yeah, like,
You guys almost killed yourself.
yeah, because like you sit on the phone.
Go over there.
I tried to be nice.
Go over there before I hit you with the door.
Why don't you try doing it? I already got your license plate.
With the door.
Do it.
You want me to do it?
Yeah, I got your license plate.
You want me to do it?
I don't want you to, but if you do, I already got your license plate.
Why the fuck are you in my face? Why the fuck are you in my face?
I'm sitting here.
Call the police then. Call them.
I will.
They get your little... They'll say, why you got this?
Hey, can you say welcome to Stevie TV?
Get your camera out of my face. You're not allowed to record it. You're not allowed to record it. You're not allowed to record it.
We're in public, you dumb. Can't record ya. Yeah.
Okay.
Do you not know that? We're in a public street.
Why are you in my face?
I was just trying to politely ask you to put your phone down because you missed that light back there, and it's people like you who kill me.
What I was doing.
Huh?
I don't know what I was doing.
I saw you through your mirror. I saw you counting your money and everything. I was just asking you if you can politely put your phone down. And look how you're acting.
Fuck, go. Why the fuck are you talking?
Well, you were in front of me, so I'm letting you go first. I'm being polite here.
You're over here. Okay, when you're over here with your gay ass.
My
Yeah, arguing like a bitch.
I asked you if you could put your phone down and drive.
You don't know what the fuck I'm doing.
I saw you with your phone in your hand. Did I not?
I'm doing.
What are you doing? Do you mind telling the world what you're doing?
Fuck you.
Huh?
Do I
Does no? I'm glad you don't.
get the fuck
Why don't you, I said you're in front of me. I'm giving you.
fucking way there?
I can't legally. I'm not allowed to.
You have to do whatever. Legally, you should be right here. You should be giving me like
Well, I'm in this lane and I didn't really turn left, so it doesn't really matter.
turn left, bitch. You're just right here in my fucking face.
Yeah. I was asking you if you can politely.
Fuck out of my face. I didn't know you.
What? 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 I can't hear you.
Does that make you feel better?
It kind of did, yeah.
You must have a small dick.
Hey, what's with it? Was calling me? Oh my God. Hey, can I honestly ask you a question? Hey, can I seriously ask you a question?
Small dick.
What's with the small comments? Why do people think that offends men? Oh my God, man. Oh, some days you just can't help yourself, man. I'm that bitch that'll kill you. 5. You getting a car wash? Need to wash that out. God, this video took a turn. She's getting a car wash. Hey, have a nice day. Have a nice day. Hey, that was an awesome throw. Oh my God. Hey man, my fucking I'm that bitch that'll kill you. Really? Because you slammed on your brakes when you were hitting reverse. That was fucking great. Guys, oh man. Did you see that throw with that CD too, man? Nice day. Hey, that was a... She's getting a car wash now. Oh my God. Man, if that ain't a Moto Madness, I don't know what is.
And don't forget, if you want your dash cam clip featured on a DCtv episode, you can send it here on DCtv. It's simple and easy. For more details, have a look at the description below. Help everyone learn from your experience. I'm Ann and this is Nicole. Thanks for watching. Bye.